about a crashed Challenger GT. This Challenger was in a really bad accident, and from the photos and from the post that I saw on Facebook Marketplace, it could just be a front end damage. But the lady had wrecked it, I think, into a wall, and then the side swept on her. I'm not so sure about the story, but then we have the rear quarter panel damaged along with the rear bumper. I think I really got a great deal on this Challenger. In the market, they go between $20,000 to $29,000, and I got it way cheaper than that. You're not gonna believe it. This Challenger is fully loaded. It's a GT all-wheel drive, which everybody likes over here because you can drive it in the rain, you can drive it in the snow all the time. But buying a cheap car like that has its disadvantages. Let me tell you what. First of all, we have a completely damaged front bumper. Luckily, I've managed to salvage most of its parts from the lady's backyard. We have a damaged fender, damaged hood, a damaged mirror, as you can see.
Still hanging on. It's taped.
A damaged rear quarter panel, a damaged bumper, damaged driver mirror, glued.
Really?
Glued over here. However, the inside is almost complete, except we have a missing rear center mirror, missing carpets, and it's very filthy. It stinks. We gotta have to get it detailed as soon as possible.
Yeah, I won't get in it.
And of course, we also have a missing headlight.
We are ready for you to restore this.
Oh man, what do you think if I am able to restore this car or not in the next video? Don't forget to subscribe to follow my restoration process for this Challenger. And whoever guesses the price correctly, I will follow you back. Thank you so much for watching.